In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your GoDaddy domain to Wix for free, and it should take around 5 minutes. First, let's get started by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type in Wix and head to their website. If you already have a Wix account, simply log in. If not, you might need to create an account, which just takes a few moments. Once you're logged in, navigate to your Wix dashboard. Here, you should have your website's layout ready or in progress. Make sure to publish your site before moving forward, as the URL we will be working with is generated from a published site. After publishing, you'll see a free Wix URL that looks something like this. Username, wixsite.com, site name. Take a moment to copy this URL because it'll be necessary for the next steps. Now, let's transition over to GoDaddy. Log into your GoDaddy account and head over to your domain list. Here, you'll see a list of all the domains you currently own. Locate the domain that you'd like to connect to your Wix site and click on its settings. In the settings, look for a section labeled as DNS or Forwarding. Click on Forwarding, as this is where we'll set up the connection between your GoDaddy domain and your Wix site. In the Forward To field, paste the Wix URL you copied earlier. You'll want to ensure that every detail of this URL is correct for a smooth connection. Under the type of forwarding, select Permanent 301. By choosing Permanent, known as a 301 redirect, you're informing search engines that your site has permanently moved to this new URL, which is important for SEO purposes. Finally, make sure to save these changes. It's crucial to note that while these changes are usually processed quickly, it can sometimes take up to 48 hours for the forwarding to take full effect. During this time, check periodically to see if the domain is redirecting correctly. In the meantime, ensure your Wix site is polished and ready for visitors. By following these steps, you're not only saving money by using a free method, but also seamlessly connecting your branded domain to your Wix site. This integration allows you to maintain professional-looking web presence effortlessly. If you encounter any issues, both Wix and GoDaddy support pages have numerous resources to assist you. Enjoy your newly connected website and happy creating.